Hey guys, how's it going? So, Tim Green had asked me on Facebook about the launch scanner, and he had a Chevy Silverado, I believe it was, like an '05, something in that range, and he wanted to actuate the vent solenoid, and he wanted to know how to do it. So my truck is an '06. 99 to '06 should all be the same. Actually, I think 99 to should all be roughly the same. Anyway, I got the scanner hooked up. Let's take a quick look here. So we're going to come... shut this off. Sorry. So we're going to come over here to diagnose. And we are going to go... Obviously, we're going to pick our vehicle. And it's a Chevrolet. Okay. Let's let it do its thing. We're going to do an automatic search. You want to read the VIN automatically? Sure. Key is on. Okay, 06 Silverado 4-wheel drive. There we go. Let's go to system selection. Actually, common functions. I wonder if it's here. I'm just curious. I don't even know, to be honest with you. Well, mine's a manual. Automatic transfer case? No. It's dual zone manual. It's a base radio. How many more questions are you going to ask me? It may not be here, but I figured let me just go this direction and see what I can come up with. Come on, any day now. You know what? This thing's actually going, I think, through all the modules, which I think this thing only has 2, equal to or under. And it's got rear drum brakes. All right, let's see. Nope. Nope, it doesn't. It's not there. All right, so let's go to system selection. Go to powertrain systems. Let's just make sure there's nothing else here that it could be. We're going to go to powertrain system. Actuator tests. Engine output controls, fuel system, service bay test. I wonder if it's under service bay test maybe. Let's just see. I think that's the full emissions test. Let's find out. Yeah, that runs the whole test. We're not going to do that. So we're going to go to engine output controls. Should be here. Fan relays, loop status. Evap system. Evap purge, evap vent, and purge seal. Purge seal comes in handy because you can actually purge it, seal it, and see if it actually loses vacuum. I'm not going to go into that right at the moment, though. So let's go to vent solenoid, and let's just see. Here we can turn it on and turn it off. See that? I'm going to hit on here. Wait a second. It'll come on. You hit off over here, it'll turn it off. So I know there was a few people saying you couldn't do it with this scanner, but so far, every single thing that my Snap-on scanner does, this one does too. For a $400 scanner, or I should say an under $500 scanner, this darn thing's pretty good. I will say that. So, but yeah, you can do it. I'm going to do the the vent solenoid this weekend. So I'll show you with this scanner then that I can turn it on and off that way. The only thing I wish I had gotten with this scanner was the longer cord, which I think I'm just going to order that. I know I can get one. I just got to order it. Yeah, so that's kind of it. So yeah, you can do it with the scanner. You just have to go in through the PCM. Yeah, so that's it. All right, so hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.